Hello everyone, this is how to get gold fast from Eho. I will show you some tricks now. As you can see, I have some bags here for 13 gold and 65 silver. As we can see here, I have some more bags, and this is mine, and this is mine. All this is mine. Look here, this is another player. He's added to 13 gold and 65 silver. 2! But my bag stands first, because I only set it in to 12 gi. He has it to 12 gi and 92 silver and 15 cents. Copper, sorry. Okay, now you can see my bag is here, 13 gold, 35, and I go in here, press it, you can see my bag is 12 gold over here, and I will sell it for 11 and 13 and 65 over here as this. And now I work here. We can go back, search, my bag stands here in front of all the other bags I said, because it's cheaper with bet price. It's cheaper with bet price. And as you can see, buyout price is the same. It's the same all the way. And I get the same money, but my bags will be sold first. And you can do it with everything: mail, plath, link cloth, food, drinks, mana potions, healing potions, all of it. But just do this and your thing will be sold first.